Yeah, push, keep your brake down. Okay, I'll do that. You did reverse it. This big, long truck. Make sure this one doesn't get all cloudy though. Good driving. She's only had a few trips here.
Hold on.
I gotta turn it slow. Okay. Now ease up to the right of the. Hey, good girl, good girl, good girl. You got it. You got anything else to say?
Oh, I know about cells then.
Alright, we said that in the other video, but, which way you going, honey? I guess you are. What else, baby?
Brain tells your heart to pump blood.
Your brain tells your heart to pump blood, yep. Well, are you already in school?
Yeah.
What kind of school do you go to? Private school.
I said homeschool.
Yeah, well, in Texas they consider a homeschool as a private school, and under the Texas Constitution, the government has no say-so on what goes on, what I teach you. So, if your daddy knows about brain cells, technology, electronics, and he wants to teach this little 5-year-old, well, you knew electronics since you were 1 year old, actually. I have a video somewhere of you when you were still 1, pointing out about capacitors, diodes, resistors, and, you know, all that cool stuff you know about it. Eat up a little bit more so you can make sure it's clear. Alright, stop. Alright, blinker. Alright, go ahead, it's clear. It is clear. And Emily, it is clear that Emily is a very talented, super smart genius. What do alternators do?
Make electricity.
Make electricity.
I'm gonna turn that way.
Okay. Make sure you use your blinker though when you do turn right. That's the windshield wipers.
I know.
Alright. Put it under your arm if you want. If it's in your way. Put your blinker on. And don't forget to stop. I just gotta be up. Make sure I got my feet ready. Alright, go ahead. It's clear over here. Turn. Turn. Okay. Please don't mess with the windshield wipers. It's not raining and you've already cleaned it. Okay, what else was we saying? Oh yeah. On the car, like 12-volt system, you got a red wire and a black wire, say for your batteries, right? And which pretty much powers up everything.
Well, practically in the body there's cells.
Yeah.
I gotta go for a run out of gas.
Okay, go to the right. Turn to the right.
Oh.
Don't worry, honey. Alright, go. But the red wire on the battery is what?
Negative and positive.
Alright, which one's negative and which one's positive?
The red's negative. The black's negative.
Correct.
The red's positive.
Correct. down, slow down. Turn your blinker on and slow down, baby. Slow down. This is because this is that real sharp turn. Go ahead, start turning, but keep your foot on the brake. Go ahead, cut it hard, cut it hard, cut it hard, cut it hard, cut it hard. Cut it hard. A bumpy road here. That's the contraption.
Dad, am I driving by myself?
Yes, you are, my love. Ain't nobody else driving. And I don't have the remote control unit hooked up, but I'm sure I could design one with relays and motors. But, who needs remote when you got someone smart as you knowing how to drive? And kind of scoot over here a little bit this way. Yeah, a little close to that mailbox, but you saw it and you didn't hit it, right? Alright, then you go like straight and stop at the stop sign ahead. And then go straight and then turn left. I gotta watch my timer on here so we don't go past 10 minutes.
Can we use it if it dies? Can we still use it without the camera?
If what dies? Oh, if we run out of time, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm only going to go for about 1 more minute. So, when you stop at the stop sign, just say on the camera, says, well, everybody, it's been nice to see. Alright, that's enough kissing the world. Or are you kissing daddy? Alright, stop. Stop. Alright. I'll say goodbye. Stop. Keep your foot on the brake. Stop for 1 second. I'm fixing to cut it off. Okay. Say like a farewell.
So's mommy.
Okay. Say I gotta go, everybody.
Gotta go over.
I'll see you on my next lesson. Alright. Oh, you're turning. You get your blinker on and everything. I didn't know we was turning, but that's because I'm just watching you. Okay, well we have to sign off because you're only allowed 10 minutes on. Alright, hit your brake. Okay, I'll help you through here. Bye bye everybody. This is Emily, and she will be the smartest girl in the world. She is.